In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the 5 basic stitches, literally the foundation of crochet. You're going to be using these stitches for everything, like clothing, pantyhose, home decor, throw pillows, whatever, you name it. You need to know these stitches, and I'm putting them all together in one video for you to continue referencing later on. So put this in your watch, save, playlist later thingy, and you can keep looking at it whenever you need to refresh your memory. You're going to want to grab the crochet hook that's recommended on the back of your yarn label, and the yarn I'm using is a worsted weight yarn, size 4, medium weight, and it recommends a 5mm crochet hook, which is on my microphone right here. So I've got both. And we'll get started. To begin crocheting, we need to attach our yarn to our crochet hook. So I'm going to take the tail end of the yarn and place it over my hand like this, wrap it around. I'm going to go underneath the yarn and grab that and hold on to it. Take my hand out, let the loop go, and just pull till a tiny knot forms. And that is our slip knot. Pull on the working yarn and it closes the loop. Pull on the tail against the working yarn and it opens it. When you put the slip knot on your hook, make sure the tail is away from you and the working yarn is towards you. And make sure that there is enough space on the hook for the yarn to move freely, so your stitches aren't too tight and they're easier to work into. To begin, we're going to learn how to chain. We're going to yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. And we're going to continue doing this about 12 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that is how you chain. Next, we're going to do single crochet stitches. Because we're working into the chain, we're actually going to work into the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. Insert our hook into the chain. Yarn over and pull through. We now have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through both of those loops, creating our first single crochet. Again, into the next chain, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through again. Insert into the next, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through again. Work your single crochet to the end. So we're at the end of our single crochet round. So we're going to do a half double crochet row next. I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and yarn over. I'm going to crochet into the second chain from the hook. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and now I have 3 chains on. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all 3 of those loops. And that is our half double crochet. yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain. Sorry, I keep dropping my yarn because I want you to see. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over into the next one, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And keep doing that all the way until the end. We've reached the end of the half double crochet. Now we are going to do the double crochet. This is a taller stitch, so we're going to chain 2, turn our work, yarn over, insert our hook into the 3rd chain from the hook because we don't count that chain 2. Yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and we've completed our double crochet. We'll do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and you've created your next double crochet. Continue doing this to the end. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 again. All the way to the end. Worked my last stitch into the end of the row of our double crochets. Our last stitch for the video is going to be a treble crochet. Again, I'm going to chain 2, turn my work, yarn over, insert, yarn over twice, whoopsie daisies, and then insert my hook into the 3rd chain from the hook, right here. Yarn over, pull through. We should have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2. 3 loops remaining. Yarn over, pull through 2 again. 2 loops remaining. Yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. And you've created a treble crochet. Again, yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. You've just done another one. And keep going. Yarn over twice. Insert into the next hook. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And there we are. You've just learned the 5 basic crochet stitches, the fundamentals to everything you are going to make in crochet. The chain, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet.